So we have this question on the board. We are asked to find n. Actually, I brought these to the media so that people can understand how angles in a triangle works. We're going to use this to explain some of angles in a triangle. So I was actually teaching a couple of students and on the sum of angles in a triangle, and I actually gave them this question after a few examples. And the next thing, those children came up and said, Mr. Godfrey, you could be so mean. That teachers could be so mean. That look, the teachers are fond of solving simple and cheap examples. At the end of the day, they end up giving students some hard questions because teachers solve the cheapest one and expect the students to solve a very tough question. Now, how on earth do I expect them to solve this? No number, only a letter, and they were asked to find it. And they asked me, can I please tell them what could be the usefulness of these in their life? And some of them want to become an engineer, some said they want to become a musician, some said they want to become a lot of things like that. That what is the significance of mathematics in their life? How will they use it? And they never saw their parents solve mathematics. They don't see them solve. All they do is go hustle for money. And I said, okay, let's solve this together. And I told them, let us see how mathematics will be useful for them when they're actually working, or probably in their various professions. I asked them, first, let's label this. Let's label the vertices. So we labeled it A, B, C, and D. And I said, okay, looking at this critically, triangle A, B, C. And I asked them, what can they say about triangle A, B, C? So they said, looking at the lines on those three sides, that triangle ABC is simply an equilateral triangle, meaning that all the sides are equal. And I asked them further, okay, if all the sides are equal, what more do you understand about equilateral triangle? They said, triangle ABC have all the angles equal. So in triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, that means this angle will be equal to this angle and equal to this angle. So therefore, in triangle ABC, angle A equals angle B equals angle C. Equals angle C. Equals angle C. Equals angle C. This symbol is symbol for angle. And if they are equal, that means each of the angle will be what? 60 degrees. They told me 60. Why? Because the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. And if these angles are equal, so if you divide the 180 by 3, you will get 60 degrees. So that means this angle here is 60, this angle here is 60, this angle here is 60. So I asked them, how were they able to know that? They said they already know it. And from what I've taught them before, they know that angles in a triangle, the sum of angles in a triangle is 180. But seeing these three sides on this triangle, that shows it is what? It is an equilateral triangle. And I told them that is what? Multitasking. If you don't multitask in mathematics, you can't get the questions right. So I said, okay, let's look at triangle in triangle BCD. Triangle BCD. I said, okay, what happened? I said, no, what about this angle C? Angle C. What happened to angle C? They said angle C and this angle 60 is on a straight line. And I said, angles on a straight line, what is it? The sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. And I told them, how were they able to know that? They said they already know that angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. And this 60 and this fell on this straight line. I said, yes. That's what? Brainstorming. Can you see how mathematics are applied in life? Brainstorming. So that means this angle C will be what? 180. Take away what? 60 degrees. And that will give me angle C, which is what? 120 degrees. Good. And I asked them, this triangle BCD, triangle is that? They said, looking at this side and this line, it shows that this line, this side, and this side, they are equal. And if they are equal, that means this triangle BCD is an isosceles triangle. And I ask, oh, you all know this? Is it from what they can see? I say, yes. Sometimes you look at it critically, then you know it. That is how your parents don't solve maths going to work. They don't do this, but they think and they brainstorm. That is mathematics. I said, okay, so that means this angle what? This is 120. Now, if this side and this side are equal, the third line that joins those two equal sides will form two base angles that are equal. That means if this is n, this will also be n because these are the base angles. Why? This side and this side are equal. The third line that joins them will form an equal angle. Yes, they said yes. Good. So having known this now, the sum of angles in this triangle still remains 180. So I have my n plus this n as well. Then plus the 120 you have, I should get 180. That is 1. And the sum of angles in the triangle. Right? So n plus n is 2n plus 120 equals 180. So this is a simple equation. Move the 120 here. So my 2n equals 180 minus 120. Your 2n equals what? 60 degrees. And the n equals 60 divided by 2. Therefore, our n equals what? 30 degrees. And I said this is what we call critical thinking. Without mathematics, you don't think. Without mathematics, you don't brainstorm. Without mathematics, you don't do what? You don't multitask. That is it. That is how we were able to solve this. And those children were able to believe that yes, mathematics is applied in our everyday life. So please, if you know somebody that knows somebody that have somebody, that this video, this sum of angles will be helpful to. At least the size of the triangle and the sum of angles and the type of triangle we have there. Please share this video. Follow us on our YouTube channel. We have Godfrey Chi. We have G Godfrey on our Instagram. We have G Arcade on our Twitter handle. And we have Dr. G Global Academy on our Facebook page. Please share this video and let children understand that mathematics is useful in life. Thank you. I hope this will do.